Hello student, in this class we will explore Cohom from the beginning. I will teach you how to log in on Cohom. I will teach you basic structure and interface of Cohom. So let's start the class. Friends, we will start Cohom with Google. When you start Cohom, you have to search Cohom on Google. So I will type Cohom and press enter. You have to click on this link. For registration on Cohom, you can click with continue with Google. You can registration on Cohom. You can sign in on Cohom with your Gmail account. This is home page of Cohom. When you scroll down, you will see the latest features of Cohom. But in this class, we will not discuss this advanced feature. I will teach you a basic of Cohom, basic interface of Cohom, basic tools of Cohom. Then you have to click on get started. When you click on get started, the interface of Cohom will appear. We will learn V4 version of Cohom. When you click on get started, you will find four options. One is draw, second is import CAD, third is import image, and fourth is search floor plan. Create a basic structure of a room and your house. You can start with draw. If you have CAD file, you can import CAD file and draw on it. If you have any image of any plan, you can use any JPEG or PNG your layout plan, and you can search from Google also. So in this class I will start with draw, and you click on draw. The interface of Cohom will appear. This is working area, center of my screen. You can see the working area of Cohom, and left side you can see the draw floor plan, means the basic structure tools you will find here, and the right side of your screen you can see the properties of any object. Now I have to create a room, so I need a wall. I will click on wall tool, and you can start from anywhere. I will start from here. I'm going to create a wall. I will click here, then I will click here, then I will click here. Okay, I have created a room without any measurements. Now I want to put a door on this wall. So I will click on single door tool option, and you can put this door anywhere in this wall. So I want to put this door here. Now I want to change the door opening option here. So I will click on flip. When you click on flip, the door will be. If you want to change the length of the door, you can move it from here, and you can move it from here also. If you want to change with length tool, you can change the length of door here. If you want to change the height of door, you can't see any change here. Now you have to go on 3D, and the top view, this is the perspective view, you can see. And when you change the height of this door, you can see the height of the door. Now I need a 7 feet door, you can see. If you want to change the length, now you can change the length. If you want to change the thickness of this door, now you have to go on floor also, or now you can change the thickness of this door. Okay, if you want to change the height above floor, now you can change the height above floor also. Okay, back on the track, I will click on floor, and now I want to put a window also. So I will click on floor plan, and I will put a window. Then I will drag and drop window on this wall, and you can change the length of window also. And the properties of window you can see here. The length of the window, the height of the window, thickness of the window, height above floor of the window, you can see here. Okay guys, you can zoom in and zoom out with the help of middle mouse. If you want to go on top view and you want to rotate like this, you can use left mouse button and you can orbit like this. If you want to pan, you can use right click option. You have to hold right click option and now you can pan like this. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, you can use this button also, and you can use the slider also. This is very easy option. When you click on this option, you can see two options. First one is top view and second is walk. When you click on walk, you will see the 4 arrow option here. When you click on this arrow option, you can see zoom out. Now if I will click on right arrow option, we can move here. If I will want to move left, you have to click on this option. This is very easy. Now I'm going to top view. You can click on floor also. So now you can see the top view of this room. If you want to change the background of this interface, you have to move your mouse on basic and the preference tool. When you click on preference tool, you will see the lots of options here. You can see the you can change the language here. If you want to change the measurement, you can change the measurement from here. If you want to change the background color, you can change the background color here. Student, I hope you understood today's session. That's all for now. Thank you.